The Honeywell Ocean Breeze White Small LED Ceiling Fan with Light is a 30-inch fan perfect for air circulation in those tighter spaces. The LED light includes a frosted glass housing with a white finish. The blades are reversible, providing 2 color options for this fan, and the fan can be conveniently mounted with an included 4-inch long down rod or angled mount. The motor is quiet with 3 speeds to choose from and reversible for both downdraft and updraft. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.